Good morning, children. So, today we are going to continue a third one. Represent the following on a number line. So, they given some questions. We have to mark this number in a number line. Okay, on a number line. You know how to draw a number line? We should draw a number line and we should mark arrow marks on the right side and the left side. So, what we know? We should write the 0 in the middle. The right hand side 1, the positive number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This side -1, -2, -3 and so on. They said to mark the +5. Where is +5 here? +5 is here. So we should mark like this. The next one, so middle 0 you write, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. This side -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. So it will goes on. So I'll change the question as -6. So because I don't have place, so I change the number. You can write the homework including this. So where is -6 here? Always negative number in the left hand side. Okay. So for this adjustment you can made like this. You can write the 0 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So minus number you can write in a 2 steps or 3 steps is enough, because they are mentioning here 8, no? So we need 8 on the positive number extra. So write like this. So you write -1 as the homework, -6, +12 and -10. Draw a number line like this and mark the number given. The fourth question is, in each of the following pairs, which number is to the right of the other on the number line? Which one is right side? See here, positive number is right side, that's we know. So which number is 2 after 9 only is the right side. So 9 is on the right side, right of 2. So here -3, -8. So which is right side? -3, -4, -5. Here only -8 will come. So -3 is right side, isn't it? So -3 is on the right of -8. Here which one will be right side? 0, -1. So which is right side? 0 is right side. So 0 is on the right of -1. Okay. So -11, 10, -6, 6 and F 1, 100 you should write as the homework. So one sum I will do for you. 10 is right side. Always the positive number will be the right side. Okay, like this the negative number and positive number they given means we can easily write that positive number always is on the right side. 10 is on the right side of -11. Okay, 2 negative number they given, you can write and see also, no problem. But any negative, one negative, one positive, easily you can identify positive number is on the right side. Write all the integers between given pairs. So before this we will do fifth question and all in book itself. I will do in book, but you should copy here. Sixth question I will do in book, but you should copy in the classbook note. See here. So online class I will teach you fourth one. Okay, so fifth one we done and sixth one we done. Fourth one and fifth one I will teach you in online class, because I need a conversation between you. So fourth one and fifth one I'm going to teach you on the online class. Sixth one over, no? Now seventh one. Write all the integers between the given pairs. So 0, but they given some int is, write them in increasing order. Okay, write them in increasing order. அதாவது சின்ன நம்பர்ல இருந்து பெரிய நம்பருக்கு நம்ம கொண்டு போகணும், increasing orderல எழுதணும். Okay, I copied the question in the note itself. Okay, write all integers between the given pairs. It should be in increasing order. The int they given is, you should write in increasing order. So see here, first you can write the numbers and then you can make it 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Okay, so in between 0 to minus 7, these number is in between 0 to minus 7, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6 will be there. But they ask you to write in increasing order. So which is greater number here? First we should write a smaller number. Increasing order na chinnadilende periya number nama kondu ponum. So always in negative number, bigger number will be the smaller number. So now you see, we wrote in increasing order. That means ascending order. Increasing order is nothing but ascending order. Ascending order means what? Small to big. Which is small here? In negative number, bigger number is small number. So minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the in between number. So we should write in what? Increasing order. Okay, already it is in increasing order only, because minus 3 is smaller than minus 2. It is smaller than minus 1, 0 is smaller than positive number, and it is in the order itself. Next, in between number. So which will be the grade? Shall we write as it is? Minus 14, minus 13. You can write in a increasing order. Minus 12, minus 11, minus 10, minus 9, minus 8. Because we should write in what? Increasing order. That means from small to big. Okay, so here also what? Increasing order. Minus 29, minus 28, minus 27, minus 26, 25, minus 24. That's all. Because in between these two numbers. Okay, so up to this you copy in your class of note. Okay, thank you.